All right, Mama. So you just finished your unit. Let's see it. Let's see. Yeah.
She bad.
She bad. You know she bad.
I made it, so she bad.
She bad. You know she bad.
She on fleek.
She on fleek. So all right. So tell me, how was class?
Class was good. Class was actually fun. You know, it was a good vibe. You know, it was a good space. That's what I like about it. Clean. You know.
Ooh, it was clean. So what did you learn? What did you feel like? Do you feel accomplished because you got it done?
Yes, definitely feel accomplished. Take your time. That's what I do like. So I can take my time and learn on my pace.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what I know. But other than that, I'm excited. Ready to take these things and make more.
Any encouraging words for the next student that's gonna come along?
Take your time. You know, I think, you know, listening. Make sure you listen and just watch carefully. I had to do some things a couple of times, but listen, watch carefully, and just, you know, take your time. You'll get it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.